Understanding conventional stance, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have come across: conventional stance. Understanding phrases like these can really elevate your English fluency. So, let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important to know. First things first, let's break down the phrase into two parts: conventional and stance. Conventional refers to something that is based on or in accordance with what is generally done or believed. It's about following established practices or norms. On the other hand, stance is a term that describes a person's posture, the way they stand, or metaphorically, the position or attitude they adopt towards a situation or topic. So, when we combine these two words into the phrase, conventional stance, we're talking about an attitude or position that aligns with the most commonly accepted standards, practices, or beliefs. To help you understand how conventional stance is used, let's look at some examples. In a debate about education, someone might say, "My conventional stance is that traditional classroom learning is more effective than online courses." Here, the speaker is expressing a widely accepted view about education. Regarding health and diet, a person could argue, the conventional stance is that a balanced diet should include both vegetables and meats. This reflects a common belief about nutrition. These examples show how conventional stance is used to express a viewpoint that is commonly agreed upon or considered standard by a majority. Understanding the phrase, conventional stance, is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it allows you to identify and comprehend the prevailing attitudes or beliefs in a discussion or argument. Secondly, it can help you articulate your own position in relation to those widely accepted norms, whether you agree with them or choose to challenge them. Knowing this phrase and what it signifies can also enhance your critical thinking skills. It prompts you to consider why certain views are conventional and encourages you to explore different perspectives. And that wraps up our exploration of conventional stance. Remember, understanding phrases like these not only helps in improving your English but also in enriching your conversations and debates. We hope this video has shed some light on this phrase and why it's useful to know. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!